Mom?
What?
There's a skateboard on you.
There's a skateboard on me. Hey, get off my eyes. Okay.
So you read the Song Apocalypse yet?
No. I got the first chapter read.
Yeah.
Your baby hamster.
Your baby hamster like that. You're so tall.
It's tiny.
It's tiny. Yeah.
Princess!
It's in your shirt.
Lily!
Oh no.
Lily, Lily! Hi, baby. What are you doing? Lily! Lily, Lily! Lilybug! What are you doing?
Alright, Billy, Amber.
Lily! Quit, Raven. Quit!
Billy.
Lily!
I gotta take Billy and Amber away from me too.
Oh, why?
Because they wanted to ride that. Bill.
What?
I want to go.
Home.
That means you guys gotta go too.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, that's it.
Whatever, don't talk to me.
Yeah.
You're cool. Lily!
Sorry.
You're okay. Lily! What are you doing? You gonna come tell me hi? You okay? Who? Mom?
Hi, what? What?
Lily! Oh, I keep trying to get Lily. She'll smile at me. Lily!
Thank you.
I see you.
I need keys and everything.
See ya.
Please and thank you.
Oh, wow. I'm zoomed in still.
Is she good about you doing her nails?
No.
Huh?
Quit!
No, you can play at home.
You gotta leave us here, Lily. I know, they go the other way.
My freaking living room is clean. My living room is clean.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Hey guys, before we go, could some of us pick up some toys?
Yeah, Nikki.